Hi. A lot of people want bigger arms, and the first thing that comes to their mind is bicep workouts like dumbbell curls, hammer curls, and stuff like that. Nothing wrong with it, except what they fail to realize is that triceps make up for 2/3 of their overall arm size. What does that mean? It means bigger triceps equals to bigger arms. Triceps, as the name says, they are comprised of 3 different heads. And today we're going to tell you a few different workouts which will put emphasis on your inner head. You've been working out in the gym for a long time, but most of the workouts that you do, they put emphasis on the outer head. So let's try to fix that, and probably a few tweaks while we do that, yeah? So the first one is going to be reverse cable extension. Angles or the hands and wrist positioning is everything. Like when you're doing a normal triceps extension, your hands are out, and when you're flexing, it's going through the outer head. But as you see, when you turn your hands upwards, you can see that the inner parts of your triceps getting engaged. One key point to note here is do not flex down or lean into it. The goal is to put stress on the inner head, which can be achieved by keeping the elbows high, pull over it, and do not lock your elbows. The next one we are going to do is French press. And I'm sure you've all done that in one way or the other. But as we mentioned earlier, it's all about tweaks and angles and positioning to get different heads working. What most people do is they start with their elbows flared out, as you can see here, and they're trying to push up the weight, locking out the elbows. Now what it does is it's more of outer head movement. So what we're going to do is tilt the elbows a little forward when the weight is going up. So instead of just pushing up the weight, now we are pulling it forward. Also, don't lock out your elbows. The third one is what we like to call a cross between a pullover and skull crushers. If you've ever done pullovers with high intensity, you must have felt soreness in your triceps along with your lats. So let's try to tap into that. Now, one thing to make sure that you keep the elbows back when you're coming up. You don't want them to cross 90 degrees because that takes the pressure off of the inner head. Make sure to stop at 45 degrees. Do not exceed it. One more workout is reverse grip push-ups. If your wrist can't handle the pressure, no need to go full reverse. Just about 45 degrees and that's it. However, make sure that you're keeping those elbows tucked inside, as you can see right here. What you gotta notice is as that you're coming up, your hips are not rising, your back is arcing. It's about your elbows doing the lifting instead of your chest or shoulders. So these were the workouts for inner head of your tricep. Keep watching this space for more workout and diet related information. Thank you for watching.